The most natural way to make your client's hair fuller is now available through a non-commitment payment plan. At the end of this video, you're going to see details on how the microstrand invention is responsible for making your client's hair fuller in the most natural way. The InvisaBlend training course, the full training course, is now available through a non-commitment payment plan. Here's how it works. You only have to put down 10% and you get the full training course. And then you pay nothing. You only make payments when you place an order for each of your clients. Now, there's a catch. The catch is this is offered to a limited number of hair professionals or salons and for a limited time period. So now let's take a look at the invention of the microstrand and the details, how you can offer your clients a way of making the hair fuller for any client in the most natural way. Naturalness is the key when making your hair fuller or longer. There are 3 keys to naturalness. Number 1, seeing and feeling nothing. Take a look at this. Now look really close. Do you see anything but this person's own hair? And this is a close-up. Now watch this. I'm digging deeper. I'm digging deeper. Just to show you, hair has been added to this person's hair to make it fuller. Now, how is this possible? Using an invention called the microstrand. This microstrand, upon contact of the skin or the scalp, as you can see, it disappears. In addition to this microstrand, the filaments of the actual microstrand are literally as thin as one human hair, as soft as one human hair. Plus, the filaments of this microstrand are translucent, meaning upon contact of the skin or the scalp, watch, you see them against the scalp or skin, you don't see it. Plus, these microstrands are 10 times stronger than hair, so they're very durable. So how is this possible to add hair in a way where you see and feel nothing? Let's take a look. It's because of the invention of the microstrand. Notice how you can dig deeper and deeper, and it's very difficult to find if any hair was added. What does this mean? This means you will be able to do any activity and your hair will always look natural. Number 2, to true naturalness when making hair fuller or longer, and that is replicate real hair growth. How do we replicate real hair growth? Look at the human scalp and see exactly how hair grows out of the scalp. How does hair grow out of the scalp? One human hair at a time. How do we replicate one human hair at a time? Using this microscopic tip apparatus that has a microscopic tip hook only big enough or small enough to grab one human hair at a time. Watch this. One human hair at a time is now fed onto these microstrands. One human hair at a time. This is how we're going to replicate natural hair growth. And now the finished product is this as one example. This is after the hair has been added, one hair at a time. What do you see? Do you see the microstrand at all? Look, you don't see the microstrand. You just see single human hairs appearing to be just floating in the air. When you add one human hair at a time onto the microstrand, it disappears. And now you're replicating real hair growth. Let's see real proof. What is the most critical area of adding hair on the head? That's the front hairline. Let's take a look at a front hairline. Now look closely. Look even more closely. Do you see anything in this front hairline? Does it just look like 100% of this person's own hair? Look closely. Now we're going to reveal that there actually is hair added. Notice this. I'm slowly removing the microstrand just to show that hair was really added right up to this front hairline. This is replicating the same way hair goes out of the human scalp. Number 3, to naturalness when making hair fuller or longer is 100% access to the entire scalp. Take a look at this. When you have 100% access to the entire scalp, you've achieved another step of true and pure naturalness, because you can run your fingers directly down to your scalp and feel nothing but your own hair and scalp. That's pure naturalness. In addition to that, it's healthy. It keeps your own scalp and existing hair safe. So you are able to actually run your fingers down to your scalp and do everything you would normally do with your own hair. And if you want, you can also stimulate your hair growth if you choose to, because your scalp has full 100% access. It's open to breathe. It's open to put product down or any kind of stimulating products to stimulate your hair growth, or it's just free for your hair to grow. So this third step is 100% access to your entire scalp. Let's summarize. What are the 3 keys to naturalness when making your hair fuller or longer? Number 1, seeing and feeling nothing. Number 2, replicating real natural hair growth. And number 3, 100% access to your entire scalp. Thank you.